Hi guys, welcome to SumBodyArt's once again. So today I have a really special guest. It's my beautiful friend Bria. She's our special guest and my model for today with our beautiful beachwear. So she's looking fabulous and rocking it. It looks really cool.
Thank you.
How do you feel actually? This looks nice.
I love it. It's really cool. It reminds me of home,
yeah.
Jamaica. So I love it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Really nice.
Yeah. And it was really fun working with Bria because we've known each other for a while and this is our first paint. We've been talking about it for a long time and she's a really awesome kick-ass singer. So everyone check out her music. We'll put the link below on her Instagram and everything else as well. Yeah, so check her out, book her events. She's fabulous singer, dancer and model. So and with today's thing is actually for a competition. It's for the beachwear contest. Beachwear contest? Come on, I can't say it right. Beachwear contest. Thank you very much. Anyway, so with our look today is actually really cool because it works in daylight and also it works in UV light as well. So if we clap our hands, it will work in UV. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? Yeah, so it works in UV light and it's basically reminding us of like beach parties with neon parties and all those kind of like party vibes in the Caribbean as well as Australia, in Germany right now. So it's actually winter right now.
It is. It was snowing. It's snowing outside.
It's snowing outside, but you can feel summer. Just look at the both of us. It just feels warm here. Yay! Okay, anyway, I'll really kill the light. Yeah! Now we're in UV! Woo! So with this beachwear, it works in daylight and also UV, so it looks like this right now. Yeah! It's pretty cool. Also, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so we'll show you the making of video as well. And Bria will also do a little freestyle session of a bit of dancing with one of her picks of her favorite songs as well. So check out the dancing from Bria and remember to subscribe to our channel and check out all the things that we have on SumBodyArt as well as Bria's Instagram actions, I guess, and everything else that you've got going on. She's actually recording a new album at the moment and different things that she's got for songwriting, so wonderful things to come on her channel and her Instagram and everything else. So I think that's it. Bria, do you want to say anything? That's Luna. My assistant Luna, my daughter, is also here today. Luna actually painted today as well. Oh, yeah. This little emblem here, this is Luna's work. Yeah, so
artist in the making.
An artist in the making, there she is. There you go, hello. Here's Luna, a little 4-year-old artist. This is her little contribution to the contest.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, anyway, Bria, do you want to say anything else?
Well, it was really great being here today and working with SumBodyArt. Working with Diane was great. It was very inspiring. As an artist, I love seeing other artists work, and it's such she does such amazing work. I feel so untalented. I'm like, what am I doing? I need to get on this body painting thing. Lord have mercy. No, but it was great, and I hope you enjoy her work. And please check out her other stuff. And I wish you the best of luck in the contest.
She's such a sweetie. She's really humble. Like seriously, her performance, singing and everything. When I first met her, yeah, it was at a birthday party and she was just singing the birthday songs. It was so great, and we just bonded like immediately. We were talking for hours about K-pop. It was really funny. Anyhow, so check out her stuff. Stay in tune. Enjoy the dancing of Bria, and we'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. See ya.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yeah. Mommy.
Hello. Oh. Do you want to say cheers to Luna?
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Bye bye.
Guess that you just know one another soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me I drink pine and ginger, and mommy for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger, and mommy for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. In mouth the rum and all the sorrow, in mouth you drink away I'm sorrow. Guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. Me I drink pine and ginger, and mommy for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. In my drink pine and ginger, and mommy for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. In mouth the rum and all the sorrow. Guess I'm not drink away I'm sorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow.
She have the pine with the ginger, spliff like time, girl I get injured. Miss right wine, never you linger. Move quick like Jackie Chan ninja. When me in ya, me tell her if you wine pandy, wine pandy, wine pandy thing. Climb for the, climb for the, climb for the king. But I know me, I sing me, I pray she no move from my drink. She a say
pine and ginger, and want me for wine pandy thing, I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger, and want me for wine pandy thing, I'm gonna play that. In mouth the rum and all the sorrow. Guess I'm not drink away I'm sorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. In mouth the body not to leave.
have the body not to
In mouth
leave.
the body not to leave. In mouth the body not to leave. Put the fire to the split, smoke away for release. In mouth the body not to leave. In mouth the body not to leave. In mouth the body not to leave. Put the fire to the split, smoke away for release. Me I drink pine and ginger, and want me for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger, and want me for wine penalty, I'm gonna play that. In mouth the rum and all the sorrow. Guess I'm not drink away I'm sorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow.
She a say pine and ginger. Me tell her if you wine pan the thing, but she no play that. She a say pine and ginger.